Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your saved folders on your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official AOL mail website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button that you see at the top right corner and then use your account credentials to log back into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your home page from which you can find all of your folders that you have created if you scroll down from the left menu. Now underneath the folders option, you will be able to find the folders that you have created underneath archive. If you wish to delete any folder, you can click on the drop-down menu which says Show Folder menu. From there you will find the Delete Folder option. You can click on this and this will directly delete your folder that you just selected. You can do this with any number of folders that you have created, and as soon as you click on the delete button, your folder will be removed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your saved folders on the AOL mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.